Hello and welcome to the 10th tutorial of my database video series. In this tutorial we will learn how to create a new class file and move our database connection to a separate class file. So anytime we change the database file name or move the database, we only have to make change on one place and all our button and connection will update automatically. So I have taken a liberty of cleaning the database and only have one button, load grid, which actually coincides with data source of my last button right here. But as we can see, when we run this program, the field names are from the database. It doesn't look well, so we can fix that by going to the button, load button, query itself, and instead of selecting all, we can have to type field name individually separated by comma, field name, first name, last name, comma, and phone number. These are the field name from my database and it will work the same. Now if I want to write first name column heading neatly, what I have to do is just use the s command. So choose first name as 2 square brackets and first name, like so. So we run the command again and see first name comes up. Okay, so anyways, let's continue to a class tutorial. Very quickly, another thing I would like to highlight is in our database if we want to use the data source method to enable to data source and update data source, which we will learn in last video tutorial. To use it successfully, we need to have a primary key on our table. So just make any table in design mode, any field in design mode, a primary key. I'm sure you will know how to do that. Just go to design table and just close them off and go to design and select any of the field in a primary key, or you can add a new field and make it primary key. So the way that command builder will work with database is using the primary key. Now moving on, we want to move this connection to a new class file. To do that, we have to go to our Solution Explorer, highlight the project name, right click, go to add and class. We can name the class anything we want. For this tutorial we will name that let's say connection path, database connection path, so we know what that is. Click add, and in our database we need few more imports, so we can just copy this import, copy. Okay, let's copy 3. Doesn't matter if we add more, it doesn't matter. Just select all and paste it here. Now inside our class we make our class public class. That means it will be available in all our forms. Inside the bracket of the class we create a new method. Let's say instead of typing a void, we need a return method. I know it's complicated, just go with me. We type public static we want to return, what we want to return is OLEDB connection, connection, and the name of the method would be, let's say my connection, name of the method, and it's a return method. So we type return what? Oh sorry, we don't run the program. Let's close this. Return, let's say name of the connection is CN. Oh sorry, what the hell, man. see. Oh, we need two brackets in the method like so, and we need to end this line so, and inside the line we type some codes. We define one string connection string. What's wrong with this? Connection string equals, and we just copy the connection string from our form, which is this, from here, copy, paste it over here, and we will need one more line. OLEDB connection cn connection name equals new connection, and here we pass the connection string from up, which is connection string, copy paste, and we can make it toString with our method toString, like so. Okay, only I know doesn't, if the code seems too complicated, we don't even have to know this. The only thing we have to know is we have to create a new class path, and in the class we have to put in these codes, save. So in the form we can remove the codes. We can remove code from probably here all the way up to here. Oh, we need a data table declaration still. So we put it down here, and connection opens, and let's see if it, why doesn't it recognizes the class I'm using. Is it recording? Yes. Okay, so yeah, now once we have defined our connection string in one class file, every time we need the connection, which is here, one path, in the button we have to define our OLEDB connection, and the connection name equals new connection. Instead of, we have to call the connection from our class file. So the name of, instead of calling new connection, we have to call the connection from our class file, and the name of the class file is here, database connection path, database connection path dot, and inside the connection we created a method called open connection, this method. So we call this method the dot open connection. So we got connection into our from our database path, and for command, of course, we have to write OLEDB command d equals new command, OLEDB command set, and everything looks set. Let's run the program and see. And of course we can load the same database. Only benefit is our connection is on our connection string one path. This is all the code we need, and every time we need to use this connection in our button or our form load event, we have to type this line to call our connection from our class, and then we can use all the codes as same. Thank you for watching the video. We will continue on our next video.